everybody. This is Holly with Truckin' Awesome here in Dakota, Texas. Leading off into our video, I just want to encourage everyone to hit like and subscribe on our page so you don't miss out on any of these. We're going to try to get better about videoing how-tos and little helpful tips for you guys that get new interiors shipped to you. So we are going to look at the kit that I have over here today. This color is super popular right now. It is rawhide buckskin. We have a lot of kits coming up that are in this color. Our cab kits come with 2 cab corners, your headliner, 2 door panels, your upper console, and your shifter boot cover, just like it would drive off of the showroom floor. So even though these trucks are older aged trucks, they will look brand spanking new on the inside. On this kit over here that I also have, it's actually a sleeper truck. So I have brought over the sleeper boot cover and the sleeper dust cover to show you guys that you can order. You can order in single pieces, or you can order full cab kits, or you can order full cab and sleeper kits. If you are ordering just a cab kit, I do always recommend ordering the sleeper boot cover that also comes with the threshold and even your curtain. That way you have a smooth transition into the sleeper, whether you're wanting to not replace your sleeper interior because it looks brand new, or you want to divide it up into two different orders. So that way you have a smooth transition into your sleeper until you do whatever you want to with your sleeper. So we do have a video that we are going to follow this up with. In the video you will see it's a 379 truck. You'll see it's new flooring, it's painted dashes, it's brand new interior, made by Truckin' Awesome. So that interior is our double diamond insert. So we hope that you enjoy, and be sure and hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.
Man, you gotta roll quickly, get in, sit down, shut up and hold on. Can't wait too late, it's time to get going. Show up downtown, get us a buzz on. Get in, sit down, shut up and hold on.